All right, I'm gonna give you some quick information on the new requirements here at AWS to become a certified welding inspector. I know a lot of the old schools are not gonna like this information. The youngsters might like it. But I had one of my students come in yesterday and he told me that he signed up for the CWI prep course and the exam through Real Education. And he told me that Real Education said he would take part B at the site, and part A and C he would take at a Prometric site. And I know that AWS was talking about this for the last 2.5 years, but they never implemented it. So I called AWS and I spoke to some lady there, and she really didn't know what was going on because she had just started probably a month or two ago. So I was asking questions, and she said, yes, once you pay for the test, AWS will send you some information 3 weeks before the test, letting you know whether or not you're going to take all 3 tests at the site, or if you're going to take part B at the site and part A and C through the Prometric site. So you wouldn't know until after you pay, and I don't think that's right. I know this is going to make a lot of old school guys angry because they don't like to use computers. The youngsters, they probably like it. But then I called Real Education and I talked to someone there, and she told me, yes, at the Real Education, you take part B at the site, and part A and C will be taken at the Prometric site. And once you take part B in site, you have 60 days to complete A and C. So this is some new stuff. So if anybody have taken A and C through the Prometric site, leave some comments below and let us know what it's like and how to prepare for it. And I also put some links in my description on the AWS website to find more information about the Prometrics testing. And following this video, I got some sample questions, not CWI question, but a little sample site that Prometrics have to show you what the tests look like, and also some information from Prometrics telling you the requirements, the fingerprints, and all the other things you have to do, what to bring. You can't bring certain things in, calculators. It depends on the information that is provided by AWS or whatever the requirements that AWS send to Prometrics. So look at the other videos following this, and I hope this video helped. And subscribe to my channel, and I keep you updated on all the requirements about the CWI information, because this stuff changes monthly. So I really didn't know about the Prometrics. I call them probably every 2 months, but it seems like nobody really know about the online testing. So like I said, if you have done the testing online, put some information below or send me some information to my email address. My email address is weldingandstuff@gmail.com. And you can also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And I also got a lot of practice tests on there from A, B, and C. B is a little difficult, but for the price, I think it's worth doing it, especially if you're going and taking a CWI exam, because you're going to invest $3,000 in taking this test, and if you fail, you got to pay another $300-400. It depends on how bad you failed the test. So if this information helps, subscribe to my channel, and like I said, look in the links below in the description and find out more information. So keep watching this video, more information to come.